This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can compress your gallery videos on this device. So the new S24 lineup has this very useful feature built in that allows you to reduce the file size of your video, change its format, change its coding format, reduce its file size, and so on, by obviously decreasing its resolution. That's not some out of this world function. Obviously, you could do that using the wide variety of third-party apps, but well, now we have it built into the gallery video editor, so that's the matter of convenience, I would say. Anyway, in order to compress the video, you'll need to launch the Samsung Gallery app, open the video you would like to compress, then start editing it. Here, tap at these three dots, go into the size and format preferences, and here, as you can see, you can reduce its resolution rather, hence reducing the file size. So before we actually do any changes here, let's check the video specifications and see what is its file size here. So this is the video resolution, this is the file size, it's 15.68 megabytes. So now let's compress it and see the result ourselves. Oh no, not the smart view. So go into the editor, here, size and format. We'll compress it all the way down to the HD value, or 1280 by 720 resolution. Here you can also change the video codec, as I've already mentioned. Now let's save the result and see what is this video new file size. So as you can see, we have reduced the video's file size almost 5-fold. So I would call it a success. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.